Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution and the video quality on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on the video and now tap on the three bars icon, in the right upper corner. And as you can see right here, we've got the video quality option and we've got three different options from which we can choose. All of them are with ratio 16:9. We've got 4K, 1080p option, which is currently applied, and 720p. What's more, we can change frames per second accordingly to the particular quality which we'll pick. So basically all we have to do in order to change the quality is to simply tap on it. So let me pick, for example, 4K. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted in this bluish color, which simply means that we just successfully applied the quality. And after getting back to the camera, your device will use the quality to record a video. So it will apply it immediately. As I said, we can change frames per second, and basically all you have to do is to simply tap on it in order to change it. We've got two different options. We've got 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. So you can change it just by tapping on it. So basically that's all. This is how to change video quality in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.